Hi, I'm Dr. George Scheele, and I want to talk with you today about how to avoid chronic degenerative diseases with metabolic health for life. Now, the metabolic syndrome is important for you to understand because the syndrome is associated with a group of chronic degenerative diseases that actually accelerate aging. And you know these diseases. They are overweight disorders and obesity. They're high blood pressure, high cholesterol and triglycerides, high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer, osteoarthritis, and gallbladder disease. But wait, there's more, because when you get these chronic diseases, they're often associated with stress, anxiety reactions, and panic attacks, mood swings, anger, rage, and aggression, depression, loss of self-esteem, and even suicidal thoughts, even insomnia, and increased dependency on alcohol, nicotine, and drugs. So there is immense suffering due to these chronic degenerative diseases in the United States. And let's take a look at just a few of these. Overweight disorders, 2/3 of the adult population. That's 150 million people. High blood pressure, 34 million people. High cholesterol, another 30 million people. High blood sugar and type 2 diabetes, if you add the two together, there's 75 million. And osteoarthritis, 20 million. The solution to these chronic degenerative diseases is Factor 4 weight control, because Factor 4 has power amino acids that are truly powerful because they close the food chain gap, they correct the deficiencies in amino acids, proteins, and metabolic pathways, they restore protein health and metabolic balance, they reverse the dietary causes of the metabolic syndrome, and finally they combat overweight disorders and chronic diseases associated with accelerated aging. So Factor 4 weight control has been demonstrated to combat the risk factors that are associated with these chronic degenerative diseases. Factor 4 stimulates weight loss and sustained weight control. Factor 4 lowers blood pressure. Factor 4 decreases serum cholesterol and triglycerides. Factor 4 lowers blood sugar and therefore decreases the risk of type 2 diabetes. So let us take a minute to look at the 3 dietary causes of the metabolic syndrome. Number 1, it's due to excess calories in a sedentary society. Number 2, it's due to excess refined sugars and carbohydrates, a real problem. And number 3 is something which is new, which is protein deficiency, something that we call in the medical world the protein deficiency syndrome. Now, Factor 4 weight control corrects all 3 dietary causes of metabolic syndrome. It corrects deficiencies in amino acids, proteins, and pathways. It curbs appetite for refined sugars and processed carbs. And it satisfies hunger with minimal calories. So you can thrive on Factor 4 with weight loss and more. Because not only will you achieve weight loss health, you will also achieve metabolic health for life, avoiding those chronic degenerative diseases that accelerate aging. And you will, in addition, get a bonus. You will also achieve revitalized youth and anti-aging health. So the conclusion is that Factor 4 weight control with power amino acids is truly powerful because it combats the metabolic syndrome associated with excess weight, chronic degenerative disease, and accelerated aging. Order now online at www.factor4health.com or call us at 888-870-3438 and tell them that the good doctor sent you.